This is the lift at Bletchley Platform 1. It used to be a Keithley lift. It was modernised by Stannard in 2004.
Footbridge.
Here it is.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Go down to the platform.
Doors closing.
Security camera 1. Security camera 2. Capacity 20 persons, 1,500 kilos.
Platform 1.
Here we are, platform 1. Going to be these doors here.
Doors opening.
Go back up to Footbridge.
Doors closing. Footbridge.
We are at Footbridge.
Doors opening.